And meteorologist Megan Glaros is live in the Chicago Lawn neighborhood where the fire department is focusing on really staying proactive when it comes to this.
Oh, that's absolutely the case. Audrina and Ryan, prevention is so very important, but you should know that Red Cross volunteers don't just work on responding after a fire or after an emergency. They're also into prevention in a big way. And in fact, they even have a team of volunteers who will go into your home to help you get prepared. Wrapped in Red Cross gear, volunteers Rich and Sam are ready and equipped to help.
Hi, we're from the Red Cross. We're here to install free smoke detectors.
The Red Cross Home Fire campaign operates year-round, along with the Sound the Alarm initiative, giving residents the opportunity to get free smoke alarms installed.
This is a 3-flat building.
You can either sign up for an appointment or, in Jennifer Jelk's case, Red Cross volunteers do random knocks, often canvassing neighborhoods.
Do you know how many smoke alarms you presently have in the building?
I thought I had 3, so I guess 2.
A lot of the times the alarms are not functioning. They're even taken down. Most of the batteries are dead or beeping, just like we came into this one, it was chirping. Well, we're going to check them all.
This works perfect.
And what we're going to do is replace them with the Kitty brand, which are 10-year. They have a lithium battery in them, so you don't have to mess with it for 10 years.
I didn't even think about it, but I was sure that I had a smoke detector, and I actually had the fire department take it down. So I had really forgot to replace it, which was awesome that they came and replaced it. Then I had been hearing it chirping, and I didn't realize that the hardwired one needed a battery, and they informed me it needed a battery. So they replaced it, and they added one here in the living room that I didn't know about. So I'm really thankful that they came out, because we're practicing it with my granddaughter. So this will be something that we could talk about when she gets home.
And interestingly enough, as we just said, those new lithium batteries last for up to 10 years. Gives you a lot more life expectancy on that alarm before you even have to change the battery. To sign up, you can go to smokealarm.org and someone will schedule an appointment for you. And again, we're going to be out here at Engine 101 throughout the day today, throughout our telethon today, to help keep people not only prepared, but also to just teach some prevention with the American Red Cross.